guys, umusamseliko noma Khumalo lento yabe escalating, it's actually very serious now. Kutense kumuncu kusawa. Cause Umusa didn't come to her party. She had a birthday party. He never came. I'm just like, how childish. Ama games and la Umusa wadlala ngoba vele thina we're gonna look at him. We're not even gonna say Khumalo wenzeni kanjani kwasha kwagcina. We're looking at Musa like, bruh, why didn't you come to her party? You know, when Umusa didn't call Khumalo to wish him a happy birthday, right? I let it slide. And I didn't even do the video because I just done Uthando Nesethembu, the review, season 9, episode 6. So I was just like, hey, it's not a big deal. But I'm just like, it didn't come. It didn't call. Like, what's the beef? Just because I'm going to Umakwele, I must go to work, guys. Why did you leave work? So young. Why would you want to leave work when other people are looking for jobs? You are playing when. And Umusa unaleyo beef. Unama beef amaningi nje. And then somehow, also, I'm also picking up some jealousy going on. He is actually jealous. Yeah. But most men, most usuqala ngathi ya progress bavele bakwatela. They want you home. Abanye bab. Housewife vibes, you know. So kwaphela kanjalo kuMusa wangeza ke kodwa ke some people are just on socials, obviously they are criticizing, saying things like, in any case usizile wangeza vele ubezokwenza nezithombe zibe zimbi, and in any case bengeke kube mnandi bekuzoba nje sawa. No, please, actually maybe it's for the best that it didn't come. But I'm just like, guys, who even does that? And you know how it is, umuntu unomuntu wakho noma ngabe niyalwa, you know, but you just like, oh, because I'm making for nje, I will feel so much better. I think the call, maybe again, not coming to the party, because how I realized this party, how it was, ngathi ubenze some brunch of some sort, nje mama, or was the lunch type of thing, and say some event that was going on. Beautiful, she was dressed to the T, yamazike veleke. Yeah, it's nje fashion and something that's gonna attract, you know. Love that about her. And I just feel also she looks really young for 40. I don't know what you guys think, but that's my thing. I was maybe gonna say 36 again, you know. But she looked really, really good. She was just feeling herself. She was just like, hey, long zombona later. Second half, almost. Almost, guys, you have no idea. Now, Khumalo is going to have to tell us her right age, because I want to mind big 37, big 40. How old is Khumalo? That's just the thing now, like, honestly. I am hoping ukuthi Umusa no Khumalo, they do resolve this problem and this tension that's going on between them, which I also feel ukuthi ikhozwe na abanye abantu. That's why be saying blame Umakwele, yabona leyo nto leyo, because I'm just like, sisi now ufike nokwakho. And I just feel like how I said in a video before this one, ukuthi Umakwele benoMakhumalo bane beef ngathi eyabo yaselokishini laseMzumbe. Sengizothi selokishini phela eMzumbe. From that village, basically there's something going on there. Khona into abazenala zona. I'm just not sure what it is, but at the same time futhi nalento ukuthi Umusa must go on like, I made you guys, you made me. Like, hi guys, Khumalo yebo wafika mhlambe engena next la yangizothi ngithini, but asangahlali guys Khumalo oncela isithuba. That's what Umakwele wants to do. Ufuna ukuyeka umsebenzi and then suck his thumb the whole day. Like, how is that even going to work? Ube ulindele nje kuphela imali yothando nesithembu. That's it. You can't be serious right now.